The previous video demonstrated the manual installation of nuxt-auto-crud with SQLite. In this video, we will cover the manual installation process using MySQL. Visit the nuxt-auto-crud GitHub repository and navigate to the manual installation section. Copy the installation commands. Before executing them in your project terminal, replace at libscl/client with MySQL 2. Update nuxt.config.ts by appending the modules array and the hub object from the documentation. Set the DB parameter to MySQL. Use the provided user's schema or define your own. Ensure schemas are placed at server/db/schema.ts or exported via server/db/schema/index.ts for multi-file setups. If using Docker, copy the content from the example docker compose.iml into your root directory and start the service using docker compose upd. Create a .n file and define the database URL as shown. Generate migrations and start the development server. Access the application at localhost :3000. Check the user listing endpoint. It should initially return an empty array. Verify again after creating a user. For a detailed walkthrough of the 5 CRUD APIs, refer to the third video in this playlist. In the next video, we will explore additional APIs provided by NAC.